Over the course of the next 3 modules, you will be writing and revising a 3-paragraph comparative essay. So let's get ready to write. The focus of the essay will be a comparison of your native country and the United States. The first paragraph of your essay will be about your native country. The second paragraph will be about the United States. What do we need to do first? We need to choose a topic to compare. Here are some suggestions. Animal rights. How are animals in your country treated? What is your experience with animal treatment in the United States? How could you compare and contrast the treatment of animals in these 2 countries? Cuisine. Tell me about the food in your country. Compare it to food in the United States. Compare and contrast the nutrition, health benefits, flavor, and appearance of the food from your country and that of the US. Culture. What values do people from your native country possess? How about the US? Economy. Education. Environment. What environmental measures does your native country take or neglect to take? What do you think about US environmental measures? Compare and contrast your native country's environmental policies to those of the United States. You could write about healthcare, human rights, or the justice system. You could even write about daily life. What does an average person do in a day in your native country? How about the US? Select a topic that interests you and be prepared to describe your country, the US, and the similarities and differences between the 2 nations. What should you do next? You wouldn't want to send your instructor a heap of messy sentences, would you? Of course not. You want to send her sentences that are ordered and make sense. Before you begin writing, you will need to organize your thoughts. This is our comparative essay organizer. It will help you order your thoughts. You can see there is a yellow field for your topic sentence. There are fields for your native country details. This green column represents your first paragraph. The gray fields for the United States details represent paragraph 2. The comparison fields, pink for contrasts and blue for similarities, represent paragraph 3. Finally, there is a conclusion sentence. It is yellow like the topic sentence because it echoes the topic sentence. For my essay, I've decided to compare the cultures of India and the US. Here is my topic sentence. Although India is not my native country, to keep this example consistent with what you will be writing, I've chosen India as the native country. Here you can see 4 details about India. Notice I've included 2 positive details and 2 not so positive details. Your reader wants to know that you are thinking carefully and critically about your country. Including some not so positive details shows the reader you are not motivated purely by nostalgia. Here are 4 details about the United States. Again, I've included positive and not so positive details. Here are my contrasts and similarities of the cultures of the 2 nations. Here is my conclusion sentence. You will notice it resembles my topic sentence. With a completed essay organizer, I'm ready to write my first paragraph. This is going to be the first paragraph of a 3-paragraph comparative essay. Here's paragraph 1. Take a moment to read the paragraph by pausing this video. After you've read the paragraph, start the video again. Let's take a look at paragraph 1 details from my organizer. As you can see, I've included the details here in my first paragraph. Religion, decimal system, overpopulation, and pollution. After you've completed your comparative essay organizer, you will be ready to write your first paragraph. So let's get started.